Hi everybody, and welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz. Jack's behind the camera. Say hi, Jack.
Hey guys.
Today we're going to do a nice, easy thing that we're going to refer to a lot in upcoming videos. We're going to do rice, and this is something that you can add in anything. You can serve it as a meal by itself, and it's really, really simple and very, very cheap. So let's get started. All right, so you need all the two things to make this. You're going to need rice, and you're going to need water. All right, super easy. You can get the little bags for like $1.50, or for $5 at the Asian food market, you can get the big bags. I get the big bags and I put them in a resealable bag. It lasts a lot longer. So get your heat, turn it all the way up. It's going to be hot, careful. And get it as high as possible because you want it to boil. You need a nice rolling boil, you're fine. And remember, it's 2 cups to 1. So you put the second cup of water in there, and you're going to get that to a boil. You're going to need to cover it. If you don't have a cover, just use a glass plate. Because people are broken, not everybody has that. All right. Magic of cinema. We got a little bit warmer here. All right. Some people salt the water. I don't salt because it's silly, and I live on the Gulf Coast and everything is salted here. Anyway, so don't worry about it. Don't put butter in there either. That's just silly. All right. So you don't need a full rolling boil. You just want one. Ouch! Hot. Okay, be careful when you mess with the lid. Okay. So just go ahead and put that 1 cup of rice just right in the top. Get your little water in there. Spin it around. You should throw most of that rice out. If you're impatient, just go ahead and get your spoon. Rattle all the rest of it out and put it in there. Now, it's going to be bad hot on the side. You'll be able to hear it sizzle as it hits on the side. Just stir it a little bit where it doesn't stick on the bottom and burn.
Don't burn your rice.
Don't burn rice.
It is awful. Crispy rice is filled rice.
Unless you fry it. So, just give it a little stir. Make sure it doesn't stick on the bottom. Good. Aha. If it's burning when you're stirring, go get you a pot holder. Screw that. Yeah, I win today, fire.
Beating the fire. How about that?
Well, I think I just screwed our viewership. Huh? Everybody always shows up just to watch me hurt myself.
You might be onto something there.
Crap, I have to get rid of the pot holder. Ha. All right. So.
Just wait for now.
All right. So, like I said, just give it a little stir every now and then. It's very hot, so you don't want it to burn, right? So just make sure it's not sticking on the bottom. And what's going on is all that water is getting absorbed into your rice, right?
Yes.
So you make sure that it's got enough water to cover it. Keep it covered and let it just keep boiling until it comes to a small boil. Then you can see, turn it off, take it off the heat, recover it, and just let it sit. And it's going to be like anywhere between 15 and 18 minutes. You take the lid off. You can see all that water is absorbed in there.
Magic.
Right? Give it a little stir. Make sure you got no water sitting at the bottom. That's good enough.
That cup of rice really expanded.
Right?
My mind is blown.
Well, I picked up 2 cups of water somewhere. So, there you go. Serve it in a thing. Now, you can pick these up at the thing. I'm not going to pronounce this for you guys. You're just going to have to read it. It's a furry cake.
Use your imaginations.
You get these at the Asian food markets, and they got a lot of different flavors, and it's outstanding. Put it on there. Just regular old soy sauce or salt and pepper, man, right? So, a bag costs maybe $1.50. That's 40 cents worth, and you're set. So there's your rice. Like I said, about 75 cents worth, about $1.50 in that, and the furry cake and other stuff is probably about $2. And you can serve at least 2 people and a hobbit. So there's that. And remember, just come back here on YouTube Tuesdays and Fridays where we upload the videos here. You can follow us over on Instagram at Living Between, and follow us on Facebook on our thing there. And we'll keep you updated and tell you what we're going to be doing there. Thank you.